Ready to move faster from edge to cloud? Empower, accelerate, and evolve with HPE, delivered by Catalyst Data Solutions. HPE is a leader in secure edge-to-cloud solutions, connecting your sites, modernizing apps and data, and scaling AI with enterprise-grade reliability. With HPE GreenLake, run cloud services where you need them, on-prem, at the edge, or in a colocation. Pay as you go with built-in governance. Private cloud, data, storage, even AI, delivered as a service. Aruba Networking unifies wired, wireless with zero-trust security, so users, devices, and apps are connected securely anywhere. HPE ProLiant servers deliver efficient, secure compute for your core apps and new AI workloads, built for performance and sustainability. HPE Alletra simplifies data with cloud-operated storage, fast, resilient, and easy to scale for databases, VMs, and analytics. Now that is where Catalyst comes in. We map your goals, design the right HPE mix, deploy with precision, and make sure your teams actually adopt it. On budget and on time. Let's plan your next step. Book a HPE workshop today with Catalyst Data Solutions to blueprint your platforms, data fabric, and hybrid cloud operations.